Hi everybody, my name is Vicky Shah and welcome to my course Website Creation for Beginners. In this course, I am going to teach you how to create a website. Well, if you're not from this industry and you do not know how to code and you're scared of codes, well, this might be the perfect fit for you. So let's get started. Before starting, the first question that comes to our mind, well, what exactly is a website? So traditionally, a website used to be a collection of web pages. However, in today's world, things has changed. There is a lot that is involved into a website. Today, a website is a collection of web pages, files, video, images, web apps, dynamic content, and more. These files are published on a web server. So today we have a lot of contents on a website. A website has a lot of applications. A website has a lot of images, videos, and dynamic content as compared to what it used to have in the past. So let's go further. Before creating a website, there are some key terms that I want you all to know about. First things first, a web browser. So what exactly is a web browser? Web browser is a simple application using which you access the internet. Some common examples include Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Mozilla, Internet Explorer, and more. After that, what exactly is a domain? A domain is the name of a website. So ideally, all the devices that are connected on the internet has an IP address, and these devices, they are connected to each other. However, we cannot remember the IP addresses of these devices, so we gave it a name. Now this name is known by a domain name. So this name can be masked to a IP address, and we can access that particular device by using this name. Some common examples would include google.com, facebook.com, ebay.in, wikishah.me, which is my own website. Well, after that, the next term that we all should know is a URL. Well, technically, the abbreviation is Uniform Resource Locators. However, to simplify, let's consider it as a link for now. So let's say if wikishah.me is a website, so wikishah.me / about us or about or contact us will be our link. Now we've learned about a website, we've learned about a link. Now let's go ahead and create a website. So in our previous slides, we discussed that website is a collection of web pages. So to create a website, first we'll have to start with the web pages. So we create a web page and then we create more web pages and then we link it. We link all of them together and finally what we come up with is a website. So as website is a collection of web pages, we should start with creating our web pages first. So before getting started with the web page, there are certain things that we'll need. First things first, we'll need a web browser. I highly recommend that you all install Google Chrome on your systems. If you do not have Google Chrome, I will recommend that you go to google.com / Chrome and install it. If you're using a Windows system, you can easily install it by going to this link. If you're using a MacBook as well, this link will work for you. You can simply go to google.com / Chrome and install Google Chrome web browser on your system. Well, especially for Mac users, you can use Safari, but I strongly recommend that you still stick to Google Chrome because there are a lot of things that might or might not work, especially when we are going to code. Because when we are going to code, we might not use everything perfectly. We might sometimes break the code or we might sometimes make errors. So all those errors, it will be very difficult to debug them on other browsers. So it's easiest if we start with Google Chrome. It is built in with debugging features. So if you do not have Google Chrome, please go to google.com / Chrome and install it. After that, what I want you guys to do is install a code editing application or a code editing software. If you're on Windows, I will recommend that you install Notepad++. Simply search for Notepad++ on the internet. If you want, let's do it together. So I can go to internet, I can search for Notepad++, and the first page that I'll find is notepad++.org. I can simply click on this link and I can download Notepad++. Once downloaded, I can install it. And if you're not a Windows user, if you're a MacBook user, I will recommend you all to use brackets.io. Simply go to the website brackets.io and download brackets.io and install it on your system. Once installed, we should be ready to go with our next class. So before looking into the next class, I strongly recommend that you guys install Notepad++ on your Windows PC, and if you're using a MacBook, please install brackets.io. And with that, I will also request you all to install Google Chrome so that we can start with the next class. So see you off in the next lecture.